Hello, my beautiful people. It's your lady signing in again, Lois Nichols. Hi, everyone. How have we been? Long time no see. Guess what? I have been dealing with. In fact, I'm gonna come on the live because I'm looking for a solution. I'm looking for somebody who will tell me what to do. Okay. I had a bad fall and twisted my wrist. So I've literally been incapacitated on my left hand. From my wrist all up here, it's dodgy. Let me put it that way. So I haven't been able to, I lost muscle strength literally to my hand, my left hand. So I find it hard to lift things up, hard to do what I would normally do before. So I've been kind of there and not there, trying to get well, trying to get back 100% use of my hand, you know. I'm getting there. I'm doing some physio exercises, and I'm not there yet, but I'm working on it. So that's why I've not really been active on all my pages. The way you see me before I come out, I do lives, and I couldn't even do any live stream, because I was just focusing on getting myself back, getting 100%, like I said, use of my hand. So that's been in a nutshell what has been going on with me. But today I had the courage to, like, okay, let me do my nighttime routine with my lovers, my YouTubers, my Facebook, my Instagram lovers. Let me just do this nighttime routine with you. So the product I have on ground is Atomy Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. Okay, for those of you who make up and you go to bed with your makeup, please don't do that. Don't do that. Don't sleep with your makeup. It's bad. It's bad enough we have to put layers of foundation. I don't do a lot. I don't do heavy makeup. So very rarely you see me with heavy foundation. No, once I just put the surface powder and I'm done. You can see if you go through, I'm not like a heavy makeup person, but I like to take off my makeup before I go to bed. So I've come in from a very, very busy day today, actually, and I want to, like, take off. Yeah, I have a bit of makeup there, don't I? I just want to take it off, and I want you to see how I do it, okay? Because I recommended this amazing deep pure cleansing oil to a friend, and when she used it, she said, oh my gosh, I love it. It took off all my makeup within, like, literally effortlessly, so it's one to watch out for. Now some people like to use their hands. Let me just get that, turn it properly. Some people tend to use their hands, but there's something about me and cotton pads. I just feel this does it well for me, but it's your call. You don't have to use a cotton pad. You can just use your hand. Put it on your hand. You can see, just put some pumps down your hand, and you rub. Okay, you just rub it round your face like that. You see what I'm doing? Rub it. It feels a bit oily, but don't worry, you're gonna wash it off. Okay, at the end of the day, it does the job. That's what you want, in it. And when you use this cotton pad, you can literally see it coming off. So I like to use the cotton pad. It just shows me I'm doing something, in it. So you rub. I'm taking off my makeup now, and I rub this deep pure cleansing oil. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Okay, that's the powder coming off easy. So that's why I like to use cotton pad, because as you're doing it, you just rubbing it, you just see it's coming off, you know. So I guess that's why I'm attracted to cotton, using cotton pads. Okay, I put some more, and I'm very generous when I'm using a lot of my beauty products, as some of you would have noticed. You know, I don't use them miserly. I put them properly, use them properly, and spread it all over. You know, because so that's it. Do you see? Do you see how easy it was? Look, everything is literally come off. All the makeup, everything come off easy. Do you see that? Even the eyeshadow, look, even the eyeshadow, it's come off. Do you see that? The eyeshadows come off, everything literally come off easy. Do you see that? Easy. Look, this has taken the fall for it. Look, easy. Do you see how easy it was? I mean, when I shared this with my friend, she was like, oh my gosh, I love that product. Oh my. It took off my makeup. I just gave her a sample to go try it, you know, and the feedback was amazing. Do you see? Literally does the job. Look, it's taking off all the makeup in an instant. So what you do, okay, is you now obviously go to your sink and get a good wash on the face, okay, and you're done. Literally, you're done. Okay, so this is Atomy Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. Just for those of you who want to see it, the bottle is Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. It's not a bottle, actually, it's a plastic. Okay, so look how easy it was for me to get that off. Even if you have layers of foundation, trust me, it goes off easy. Okay, and then you just go to your bathroom and have a good wash, clean towel, and you're good to go. And don't forget, you can, rather than leave your face dry, you can use the Absolute Cell Active Lotion. You can use the Fame Lotion, or the, what's the other one I normally recommend? Fame Lotion, Cell Active, the Spot Out cream. We have it, or even your body lotion or your Rich Body cream. We've got a lot of body cream. Okay, you can use any of our body cream, and just to give it a bit of to moisturize it, so you're not leaving it dry. Okay, so let's look more at this gentle and light daily clarifying cleansing oil. Okay, now what really is a component of this? Okay, when I checked it, it is the Monascus fermented oil 7 and the anti sebum P. Okay, now what does it do? Okay, it removes, like I said, very heavy makeup, light makeup, whatever it is. Okay, removes blackheads and excess sebum. It's moist and refreshing. Okay, made from, like you can see, natural ingredients. Okay, the Monasco fermented oil 7 content helps to achieve healthy skin, and the fragrance, oh my gosh, elegant moringa flower fragrance. You cannot miss it. Okay, and then safe, obviously the ingredients are safe for mild cleansing without irritation. So even those with very sensitive skin can use this, okay, without any form of irritation. So it is safe. All right, so it's a powerful, it's cleansing cleansing oil that gently removes heavy makeup, removes sebum, removes blackheads, etc., etc. So this is so good. Okay, the anti-sebum P function removes blackheads and excess sebum. Okay, I won't go into details so you don't get confused. It's just the basic knowledge you need in it to know. Okay, and then it's also nice to know, in case you're asking, what is the Monascus fermented oil 7? What is Monascus? Okay, Monascus. It's a medicinal fungus made by cultivating red yeast fungus, a type of Monascus, on the surface of non-glutinous rice. Okay, That's all you need to know. I don't want to confuse you by going into details, okay? So the efficacy of Monaco's fermented oil 7, okay? It's antioxidants and efficacy on skin protection, formation of new nutrients from fermentation, increased active ingredients from fermentation, also increased efficacy of the existing ingredients, increased moisturizing effect from increased HAS3 activity. I don't want to go into all the technical details so I don't confuse you, but I only brought out those basic ingredients just to show you that, again, as typical with all Atomy products, this is all plant-based, so it's very, very safe to use. All right, so until I see you in my next video, this is Atomy Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. Okay, so when next you've gone out, you've gone to your party and you want to clean up, don't go using harsh chemicals, okay? Sometimes you even use water and soap. It doesn't clean it properly. Trust me, I've tried it before. I use water and soap, and then you get some of the foundation on the sides of your nose, you know. Then you see some of the foundation, it doesn't do a good job. But once you use this, you can see it's taking everything out. So now I can go and wash properly in the bathroom. So this is a good one to have at home for my ladies, okay? For a loved one, okay? Atomy Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. I love it, okay? You want it? Send me a DM. All my details are in the description. Just chat with me on WhatsApp. I'll tell you how you can get this delivered to you straight from the manufacturers at the manufacturer's price, which is always the cheaper price, okay? So get in touch with me, all right? I'll see you in my next video. You take care and stay out of trouble. Love you.